Trump's tariff gambit puts India in an oil price bind. This is an outstanding story from Irina Slav over at oilprice.com. And I respect her, and she is just a cool cat. We highly recommend everybody go to her Substack as well, too. Trump's plan to impose a 25% tariff on Indian imports over its Russian crude purchases puts India in a dilemma between preserving an $87 billion in U.S. exports or saving billions through discounting oil. Michael, which would you rather think is more important, saving billions in discounted oil or trying to placate to President Trump on the $87 billion in trade deficit? Guess what Modi's going to do? Modi does not like being pushed, and he is going to say to President Trump, up yours. And I think that this is a very bad move by President Trump to continue on this article.
Well, I think from the standpoint of doing what's best for India, we've always praised Prime Minister Modi for that. He is truly India first, which in today's world, that's being crazy. Why look out for yourself? You got to look out for all these other stakeholders that don't even really matter. So it's very interesting. I do think I agree with you. I think these tariffs that he's putting on Indian imports over Russian are going to be terrible. I think it's going to strain our relationship with India, as India is going to be, along with China, the biggest importer of American goods, and an ability for us. We do not want to lock out India in terms of doing business with them. They're one of the largest populations and growing.
Exactly. I see if everything happens by Friday, the way I'm hoping, it's going to come out two ways while we're on the Russia issue. President Trump can walk into that room in Alaska and say, hey, President Putin, 2 minutes. We're going to know in 2 minutes whether or not this is done. So if he walks up and goes, hey, I'm here to make a deal, boom, we're off and running. And you're going to see new trading blocks happen. The United States, Russia, India, Saudi Arabia, and everybody's going to come out of this a global group therapy hug in a new trading bloc. And I'd like to see India in on that. I really would like to see that. We're doing business with China, and they hate our guts. And as Ron White would say, they hate our guts. This is absolutely nuts.